In this screencast, we will present a number of value judgment exercises related to technical writing. In the examples that follow, try to decide which text you think is better. Explain for yourself or to a colleague why you think that is so. And take time also to explain what assumptions you make, if any, in your value judgment, and suggest further improvements of the text to make it even better. Example 1. Compare. Heat capacity was assumed constant to simplify calculations with, as the heat capacity only varies by 5% within the temperature range, the heat capacity for the mean temperature was used. Example 2. Since the molar volume is larger than 500 times 10 to the power of minus 6 cubic meter per mole, Stokes-Einstein's equation was used. The following equation was used. Example 3. An excerpt from an executive summary. Compare. In this report, material thickness for a pressure vessel is calculated for a newly developed alloy. Production costs are also reported. With, according to the calculations in this report, a material thickness of 5 mm is needed to withstand 10 bar absolute pressure if alloy XN25 is used with vessel design V10. The production cost need to be reduced by 25% for the use of XN25 to be economically favorable. Example 4. Referring to a figure or table. Compare. The results can be seen in figure 5 with, the suggested change in operating conditions increases productivity with 20%. See figure 5. Example 5. Compare these two front pages. Compare a front page which states that the title is Calculation of Material Thickness, and Ola and Maria has written this report with this front page here. Example 6. In this example, imagine this to be part of a lengthy calculation involving various energy and mass balances. This excerpt below is about heat exchanger calculation. Alternative 1. We assumed both streams to be pure water, thus both streams have the same heat capacity. Alternative 2. In calculating the energy transferred between the two streams, it was assumed that the heat capacity is not affected by low, that is 3% ethanol contents. Alternative 3. Since both streams essentially consist of water and the temperature range is similar for both streams, the heat capacity was assumed to be the same for both streams.